These like shimmer fizz things from Bath and Body Works are so old. It's embarrassing and disgusting, but they don't make them anymore, and these were like my favorite things in the world back when I got them. So I'm sorry, I can't get rid of them. I need to just force myself to use them. So that is now what the other side of my vanity looks like. So I'm going to work on moving things now from this side to that side. Okay, so it's a few days later, and this is what we're going to be doing next. Most of these lipsticks are definitely expired, so I don't even know what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to start doing something, and we'll figure it out as we get along. Next, I have this little acrylic container, which this straw contains brow stuff. This straw contains eyeliner, and this straw contains mascara, and again, most of this is expired and gonna get thrown away, so I'm gonna start with the top one and work our way down. So it's a few weeks later, and I haven't done the other side of the vanity yet, and I'm kind of losing my voice a little bit, so I'm just gonna speed through this whole thing and